Hello children, today we are going to describe a picture and we will write a few sentences about it. We call it picture description. So let's begin our class. Look at the picture below. In the yellow box there are 8 things. 6 of them you can see in the picture. The other 2 you cannot see. Write down the 4 things that you can see. आप ये पिक्चर देखिए और यहाँ पर बॉक्स में देखिए 8 वर्ड्स यहाँ पर लिखे हुए हैं. Out of these 8 things, 6 things are there in this picture and 2 things are not there. So let's look at these things one by one. Ducks. First is ducks. Can you see ducks in this picture? Yes or no? Yes, you can see ducks. Second, mat. Can you see a mat? Look at the picture carefully. Yes, you can see the mat. Now dog. Can you see a dog in this picture? Anywhere in this picture can you see a dog? No. Now next, girl. Can you see a girl? Yes, there is a girl. Next is boy. Can you see a boy? Yes, you can see a boy. Now tree. Can you see a tree? Yes, you can see a tree. In fact, there are 2 trees in this picture. Now fountain. Can you see a fountain anywhere in this picture? No. Flowers? Yes. So out of these 8 things, 2 things are not there in this picture. Fountain and dog. Other 6 things are there, and you have to write names of the 4 things that you can see. Any 4 things that you can see in this picture. Next is look at the picture again and describe the picture. Now you have to describe this picture. That means you will write a few sentences about it. So, in order to write sentences about this picture, one by one we will take these things and then we will frame sentences. So, let's begin. First, we will take the word ducks. We will make a sentence with ducks. Let's see. There are 2 ducks in this picture. They are swimming in the pond. So one sentence we can write about this picture is there are 2 ducks in this picture. Next sentence can be they are swimming in the pond. So now we'll move to the next word. Next word is mat. We'll make a sentence with the word mat. Let's begin. There is a mat on the ground. There is a mat on the ground. Or you can say there is a yellow mat on the ground. There are so many things kept on the mat. There are so many things kept on the mat. Now next word is girl. A little girl is sitting on the grass. A little girl is sitting on the grass. Next word is boy. What sentence can you make with the word boy? Look at this boy. A boy is standing beside the girl. A boy is standing beside the girl. Next word is tree. What sentence can you make with the word tree? Look at the trees in this picture. There are two big trees in this picture. There are two big trees in this picture. Next word is flowers. We'll make a sentence with the word flowers. There are colorful flowers beside the pond. There are colorful flowers beside the pond. These flowers are beside this pond. Other than these, you can make some other sentences also, like a butterfly is flying over the flowers. A sparrow is chirping in the picture. There is green grass all over. So like this, you will make some sentences about this picture. So today, this is your homework. You will write 5 sentences about this picture. You can use these words and you can make sentences of your own. So, thank you and complete your homework.